What y'all doing?
What's up, bro?
God damn! You look dope in this motherfucker. What you doing, security? What's up, man? You got that for me?
Hey, listen though, listen.
What?
Need me back ASAP, bro.
Man, come on, I don't got time for that, bro. Come on, man, I'm the hardest out here, man. Come on now. You wouldn't been giving it to me. Alright then, all that, bro. Brand and all that. I got everything, man. You don't gotta tell me nothing, bro. I'm a grown man.
ASAP.
Man, come on, man. What if I know? Security gonna get me. Man, I got you, bro. Appreciate it, man. Much love, man. Out of here.
I love you, motherfucker.
I love.
Yeah. Look. Yeah. 90% of these rappers be actors, tell them to cut it the edges. Half of these trappers be hustling backwards, nigga, you supposed to be stacking. Most of these bitches ain't nothing, play innocent, really these bitches be shit. A lot of these niggas be bluffing like they getting money, but they getting nothing.
Everybody ain't real. Everybody ain't real. Everybody ain't real.
90% of these rappers be actors, tell them to cut it the edges. Half of these trappers be hustling backwards, nigga, you supposed to be stacking. Niggas that say that they with you ain't really with you, they just know how to play it. Them bitches that say that they love you don't really love you, they just know how to say it. Won't let them put a wool over my eyes, no. I be peeping the structure, and everybody ain't real no more. Check the ass on my knuckles, been bit in the concrete, thugging all week, no rest though. And the bando tryna clock dollars like Creflo. I solemnly swear, so focus on my shit, your shit is irrelevant. Actually, dog, I can honestly care. If you look at my eyes, you see honesty there. Don't forget this shit here. If everybody rich, I'm broke. And if everybody real, I'm a hoe. Swear, daddy said can't get nowhere with a square. Keep that shit thorough in your circle. These bitches that lost our respect for themselves, and these niggas remind me of Urkel. 90% of these rappers be actors, tell them to cut at the edges. Half of these trappers be hustling backwards, nigga, you supposed to be stacking. Most of these bitches ain't nothing, play innocent, really these bitches be shit. A lot of these niggas be bluffing like they getting money, but they getting nothing.
Everybody ain't real. Everybody ain't real. Everybody ain't real.
90% of these rappers be actors, tell them to cut it the edges. Half of these trappers be hustling backwards, nigga, you supposed to be stacking.
Half of you niggas is fake as fuck. No, that ain't true, bitch, you made it up. I ain't got time for another bluff. 52 faking me with the shove. Talking about all the shit you done did. All of the places that you done been. Nigga, your pockets is busted. Pussy ain't did nothing. Tryna get next to me, tryna impress me. You tryna finesse me or what? That'll be a dumbass stunt. Fuck around and get your head bust. Niggas wanna finagle, you wanna bedazzle. They wanna be more than they are. But the sun come out tomorrow, and that light can't live after dark. These niggas is funny, I don't see no point in it. Why they be stunting for hoes? Just to get you like a hoe. We can see your pussy, you exposed. You better be watching them hoes, cause they probably plotting to come and get you. You been showing a little too much shit, my nigga, and she fucking and sucking another nigga.
90% of these rappers be actors, tell them to cut at the edges. Half of these trappers be hustling backwards, nigga, you supposed to be stacking. Most of these bitches ain't nothing, play innocent, really these bitches be shit. A lot of these niggas be bluffing like they getting money, but they getting nothing.
Everybody ain't real. Everybody ain't real. Everybody ain't real.
90% of these rappers be actors, tell them to cut it the edges. Half of these trappers be hustling backwards, nigga, you supposed to be stacking.
Everybody ain't real.
You know I fuck with you, but I need me back though. Alright, I'm just saying, my nigga. Keep that shit 100.
Niggas ain't real out here, bro. I'm telling you.